Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection but you cannot browse Google Play Store or any other browser like Google Chrome for example on Honor Magic 4 Pro. So let's try Google Play Store first. Here we want to find any app. Try installing it, but the game stays in a pending and it won't change it forever. Let's cancel it for now and move to Google Play Store, to Google Chrome I mean. Here we already have an error. So to fix this, let's open settings. Here scroll all the way down and find system and updates, date and time, and set time automatically. Now we can restart Google Chrome and Google Play Store. Let's open Google Chrome again, and as you can see it works properly now. Now the same goes with Google Play Store. So we can try downloading any app and it should start downloading. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.